Have you ever wondered how people make a lot of BTC, Bitcoin, and become rich quick with very little knowledge of cryptocurrency? I've been mining for years and tried many different techniques and mining hardware to get the maximum profit from both my mining equipment and tried many different mining pools. I have now finally settled upon my ultimate money making, Bitcoin generating setup, and it hasn't been without many epic fails along the way. First step is get some mining hardware. Doesn't have to be expensive. I run a Rock Miner new R-Box. This is an ASIC miner. You can't really mine on CPUs anymore as they are too slow, so instead this is a piece of hardware that just plugs into a compatible power supply, connects up to your computer, and by running mining software like Miner and adding the details of the mining pool, then you are up and away mining. I'm not going to give you a newbie guide to Bitcoin mining as there are plenty of good guides out there. But unless you have just set up a mining farm with hundreds of mining rigs running THs of mining power, then you don't really want to mine for Bitcoin directly as the difficulty is so high. You are much better off mining altcoins or alternative coins like DGB, DGByte, and then converting those over to Bitcoin to cash them out at a later date. It's much nicer to see in your crypto wallet 1.0000000 coin instead of 0.00000000001 of a coin too. More importantly again is choosing the right pool, and after trying many mining pools I have finally found the winning combination. So, because I don't want to mine just BTC or Bitcoin, I wanted something called a merged mining pool, so I could mine whatever coins I wanted with a view to converting them at a later date over to BTC. Imagine being able to mine whatever you wanted, including non-mineable crypto coins like EOS, NEM, and Cardano. Then you want a wallet to send your coins to and be able to trade them over to GBP/UR/BTC and draw them down to your bank account. The best platform for this is Binance Crypto Trading and Wallets. Click here and you will have an exclusive link I created especially for World Global Marketing, and by using it you will receive an extra 10% on any crypto coin you trade. The lovely thing with Binance is it has hundreds of coins available, and you simply grab the deposit address of any coins you wish to mine and add them to the mining pool, so you are literally mining direct to a multiple mining wallet ready for you to earn enough to draw down to your bank account. Then onto the mining pool again, we have a WGM exclusive. Use this link -pro hashing and we have a lovely setup for you. By using our exclusive referral or affiliate link you will receive 0.50% extra from your mining power over the next 30 days, and then refer others and get an additional 0.20% of all earnings of your affiliate referrals. Wait, rewind, look at that again, 0.20% of all earnings from people you refer. That's where this method works. Refer people by Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest or others, and suddenly you have your own mining farm doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you while the coin is rolling into your crypto wallets. I had a friend in Israel who has a huge setup and they wanted to change mining pools. I am literally making 0.005 BTC a day for doing nothing just from that one referral alone. I hope you found this article useful, and if you encompass what I have laid out and really push it out to your networks, your humble little miner will soon be making you a lot of money.